Yes. Now I will show you the diamond jewelry master creation. See, first, this is the new button. Create the new item. So this contains the item type means diamond jewelry or stone jewelry, and this is type means what is the type of the item. And suppose this is bangle, so we can create bangles. We can make the list type master. Now I will select the bangles. Then this is item code. This we can create like bangle one. This is the code we will create for each and every item what we will keep in our store. Suppose bangle 1001. This is the barcode also and item code also. Okay, and then we can write the name in clear. Bangle, diamond bangle, bangle, like this. After that, we can add the components. Components means suppose you want to add the components means diamond details. In diamond details, suppose I want to add the loose diamond. We can add loose diamond. And loose diamond, we can add the number of pieces, maybe one piece, and carats, maybe 35 carats. And this is dollar, carat per dollar. So for example, $100 per carat. Okay. So this is a converter into local currency means dirhams. See, this is USD at the rate of 3.674. So I put $100 means 367.40 dirhams, and the total value for 35 carats is 12,859 dirhams. Okay, this is the calculation like this. And then metal means gold. In gold, suppose 18 karat gold. 18 karat gold, maybe I will have 15 grams. 15 grams. Gram rate is 195 dirhams, example. Then it is coming 2,925 the total cost of gold. So now we have diamond jewelry value. Diamond jewelry cost 12,859 and gold 2,925, and maybe we have sometimes stone also. So stone. Suppose it is loose stone. We will say loose stone. Okay. We can select here loose stone. The loose stone, maybe we have 45 carats. 45 carats is maybe carat rate is $75 per carat. It is 275.55 total in dirhams, and it is 12,399.75. 12,399.75 is the total cost in stone. So this is diamond value. This is metal value. This is stone value. Okay. Now the total value is $7,671.44 equal to 28,183.75 dirhams. Okay. Now maybe we have labor also. Sometimes we can add the labor charges. Suppose this is 500 dirhams. Okay. So including labor, this is the total cost in dollars, in dirhams, local currency dirhams. And suppose we will say the price one is 10% extra. Sometimes we can maybe add the margin as a 10%. You can do the discount later, and that is including 10%, 8587.95 is the dollar, and 31,552 is dirhams. Okay, this item has been created. Also, you can say color. This item color. Suppose this is color. What color? We can select the color, and also shape of the diamond. Diamond shape may be anything here like this, and also clarity. You can say the clarity like this. Okay. After that, we can save the item finally. So the diamond jewelry item has been created. Okay. So this is the diamond jewelry creation of the item. Okay. Item final creation. Okay. This item, when we make a sale,